We are looking at the quick questions from the 12th of May, 2017. So it says here that it says find all of the factors of the following numbers. So, does anyone tell me what a factor is? Put your hand up if you can tell me what a factor is. Mr. Schwab. Number that makes up another number? What's another way we could describe that? What's another way we could describe a factor?
A multiple of that number.
Not quite a multiple. Multiple would be a number bigger than that. Jayan.
Two numbers that make the number.
Two numbers that can make the number, so it can make up the number. Yes?
Numbers that multiply to make the number.
Okay, so it can multiply to make the number. We're all around the same part. I would use the very non-maths way of describing it. One number, the numbers that fit inside the other one. So yeah, the numbers that fit inside. So yeah, so it's numbers that multiply to equal the larger number. I use the phrase fit inside because I think factors fit inside. F and F. So, Mr. Musgrove, can you please tell me what are some numbers that fit inside 12? 3 and 4. Mr. 10, give me some more.
6 and 1.
6 and 1. Miss Mullins, what else can fit inside 12? 2 and 12. Yeah. So, 1 times 12 gets me 12. 2 times 6 gets me 12. 3 times 4 gets me 12. So those are all the factors. Okay. So, 34 is the next one. It's a little bit more of a challenge. Give me some set of numbers, Jam. 2 and 17. Yep. Any others, Miss Smith? 1 and 34. Anything else? Nope. It is, apart from 2, of course, it's double 17. 17 is a prime number, so it's very little can go inside it. So there we go. I've got here a negative 8. Let's see, what could go with what can fit inside a negative 8? Miss Smith.
Minus 8 and 1.
Minus 8 and 1. Miss Hartwick, what else can go in there?
Minus 2 and 4.
Minus 2 and 4. So, and I might make it separate. I might put a little positive 4s down here. What else? Mr. Musgrove, what else can go in there?
I was going to say, couldn't like every negative number you have be a positive number?
Precisely. Every positive and every negative number can go in there. So if we get an 8, a 1, a 2, so let's fill in the gaps. What else can go in there?
And -4.
Negative 4. And there we go. And I think that's all of the things, would it not? The things being the scientific term, of course. So 1 and negative 8, 8 and negative 1, 2, 2, 4. Yep, that's all that can go in there. Splendid. Now, the negative 225, which is quite a large numberette, and there is actually probably more than a numberette, it's a number. Could we get some different factors from that? Mr. Daniels, what's a factor that you managed to get from 225?
225 and 1.
Yep, that'll do it. It's also negative, so you can get me some 2 more factors.
So negative 1 and negative 225.
There we go. So negative 1 and negative 225. Miss Mullins, what can you provide for me?
Negative 5 and negative 45.
Negative 5 and negative 40 and negative 45. What led you to that delightful conclusion? How did you know that? How did you guess that 5 would have been in there?
I knew because it's a multiple of 5, so I divided it by 5.
Precisely. It ends in a 5. Then 5s are going to fit in there. Miss Hartwick.
Negative 15 and 15.
Yeah, so yeah, because it is 15 squared. So there we go. So we may as well get the all positive ones as well. Anything else? Oh, Mr. New one at the back. What have you got for me?
Negative 3 and negative 75.
Negative 3 and negative 75. Excellent. And negative 75 over there. So we get the 3 and we get the 75 over there. Oh, yes, there's more. Mr. Schwab.
Negative 9, negative 25.
Negative 9, negative 25. So, and negative what, sorry?
25.
Yeah, very good. So we get a 9, we get a 25. Great. Any others? Well, I can tell you So the next number up that will be divisible is 15, and considering that 15 squared, I think we'll have an overlap. I don't think you'll find any more. Unless you've got to tell me something otherwise, Mr. Schwab?
Oh, no, sorry, I couldn't see 25 in here.
Ah, yeah, no, there's 25. There we go. So, trick, if I haven't told you the trick about with, it's just more of a fun fact than anything else. You can tell if something's divisible by 3. Have I told you this trick? Yeah, so that if you add all the digits together, if that sum is divisible by 3, then the number will be. So that can also be a useful little trick. So that is most useful. And that's the end of the quick questions.